provincial government system. So pag in-authenticate mo, clear siya, mapupursue na at mapuproseso na yung hinihingi niyang service. Tatlo kasi ito eh. Una itong National ID Authentication Services. Yung next naman, yung mga LGU-operated Civil Service Registration. So, of course, may konting investment dito sa lugar at may kinang-verify system. Ito naman yung pwede silang magproseso ng kanilang birth certificate, death certificate, marriage certificate, at kung ano na pwede na hingin sa or proseso sa DSA. And then yung pangatlo, yung community-based monitoring system. Ito yung parang census. Ginagawa ito, dapat, alam ko si census every 5 years. But as we implement YAKAP, and then yung e-consult na plus, in one shot, na-update na rin natin yung CDMS, yung community-based monitoring system ngayon. So updated yung data and profiling natin ng bawat tao, taon-taon. Mas updated yung database natin. We're looking at the Seoul because meron tayong mga southern LGUs in the first district kasi na bago mo ma-access sa alam kasi medyo malayo-layo biyahe. So that's an option, but for western we're looking at Alaminos initially. So meron ng Alaminos, meron tayong Lingayen, and then yung existing nila which is